The philosophy of silence. Most people think communication is about talking. They are wrong. Real power lies in what you don't say. Lesson 1. The 5-second void. When someone finishes speaking, don't jump in. Wait 5 seconds. This silence forces the other person to reveal more than they intended. Lesson 2. Controlled tone. High-status people never scream. They speak in a low, consistent pitch. Loudness is a sign of weakness. Calm is a sign of authority. Lesson 3. The predator gaze. Predators have a fixed focus. Prey eyes move constantly. If you want to be respected, hold eye contact until the other person looks away first. Lesson 4. Space ownership. Observe how you sit. Low-status people shrink to take less space. High-status people expand. Lean back, take up the room. Own the environment before you own the conversation. Lesson 5. The no-reaction shield. When someone insults you or tries to provoke you, do nothing. A blank stare is more terrifying than a witty comeback. It shows that their words have zero power over your reality. Lesson 6. Questions are weapons. The one asking the questions is the one in control. Never defend yourself. Instead, ask, "Why do you think that?" This shifts the burden of proof back to them. Lesson 7. The art of leaving. The ultimate power move is being willing to walk away. If a deal or a conversation doesn't serve you, leave. The person who needs the other person less always has the upper hand. The deep secret. Communication is not about winning an argument. It's about defining the frame of reality. When you master these 7 laws, you don't just speak, you command. Outro. If you've reached this 8-minute mark, you are now ahead of 99% of people who lack focus. Comment 7 laws to confirm your transformation. Subscribe to master the dark side of psychology.